ትናንትና ማታ ዱን ፓርት 3 ትሬለር ተለቆ አብረን ሪያክት አድርገን ነበር። አሁን ደግሞ 24 ሰዓት ባልሞላ ጊዜ ውስጥ ስፓይደርማን ብራንድ ኒው ዴይ የመጀመሪያው ቲዘር ትሬለር ተለቋል። በጣም ኤክሳይትድ ነኝ። ሶ አብረን እንየው። በዚህ አጋጣሚ ግን ፎሎ ያላደረጋችሁ ሰዎች ፎሎ ያደረጋችሁ። ሌትስ ጎ።
I can't believe our first hit in my team. MJ, come on, pretend like you're not the happiest you've ever been in your entire life.
I can't.
I knew it.
Hi, my name is Peter Parker. You don't remember me, but we used to know each other. Something bad was going to happen, and the only way to stop it was to make everyone forget about me. Because I'm not just Peter Parker. I'm Spider-Man.
The hell, Frank? You just hit me with a van!
Quit your whimpering. Suit yourself.
Go home!
This is gonna be awesome.
Sometimes Spider-Man has to do the hard thing, even if it breaks Peter Parker's heart. What is happening to me? Oh God. Excuse me, Dr. Banner. I need your help.
What did you say your name was? If DNA is mutating, it would be enormously dangerous.
Spiders have 3 life cycles. When between cycles, it can leave the spider vulnerable to threats.
We are faced with a danger that we can't control. One we can't even see. Stay out of my way.
Scorpion is back.
You're losing it, kid.
And for those spiders who make it through, it amounts to a kind of rebirth.
Nice flowers.
Oh, they're
Cheers.
a housewarming gift.
I'm MJ.
I'm just a neighbor from across the hall.
Friendly neighbor.
ይሄ አመት ቀውጢ ነው። ደ ፓኒሸር እና ስፓይደርማን ፋይናሊ ተገናኝተዋል። ስኮርፒዮን ተመልሷል። ኒንጃዎች መጥተዋል። ያበደ ነው የሚሆነው። ወጥቶ እስከማየው በጣም ጓጉቻለሁ። እኛ ሀገር ለመምጣት ያብቃው። የመጀመሪያ ቀን ነው ሲኒማ የምገኘው። እናንተስ ምን ታስባላችሁ? ሐሳባችሁን ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልኝ። በተረፈ ፎሎ እና ሼር ማድረግ አይረሳ።